Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to be more confident on video, explained in terms of being confident in dating. First off, I want to show you the first live stream I ever did. Now, this was one of my first podcast interviews, maybe the 12th I ever did. And I was terrified of live streaming. I was like, I don't know how to do this. What will people think? What if I look stupid? And I was so nervous. My hands were shaking. And the entire time I couldn't look at the actual camera. I was just interviewing the person, being like, what will people think? What will people think? And I shut it off. In 5-10 minutes, I shut it off because I was so nervous. Now, you might be at the same point in your videos, which is you were really nervous and scared, but also excited about doing something, and you just want to get over that hump and just start doing it. Or you might be much further along. Whatever it is, I want to show you how to get confident on video, like dating. I am not a dating coach. Please don't think of me as an expert. Number one, consistency. Let's say you want to meet somebody, right? You really want to meet somebody. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go out, right? And you're gonna try to be in places where you might meet somebody. That might be an art gallery, might be a volunteer thing, might be the dog shelter, might be a bar, might be a whatever. If you don't show up, nothing's gonna change, right? You're not gonna meet somebody. When it comes to content, if you don't post regularly and force yourself to be there and show up on social, whether that's in text, in video, as a blog, as a podcast, you're not gonna meet your goals. It's simple as that. You have to force yourself to be like, I'm gonna make something every Wednesday, 8 a.m. and post it at 3 p.m. My KPIs are 2 videos a week, Tuesday and Thursday, and 1 text post on LinkedIn. I force myself on this schedule so that over time, I get better. Number 2, embrace the embarrassment. Now, if you ever wanted to see somebody and you got their number and you want to see them, but you don't know if they want to see you, you could do 2 things. Number 1, you could be the friend and be like, hey, how's it going? Number 2, you would kind of just say it outright, like, hey, let's hang out. Whenever you're posting the video, what you should feel is closer to that mix of nervousness and excitement, and also a little bit of embarrassment and fear of like, what if I text, hey, you want to hang out, and the response isn't good? When you're posting a video, you're like, what if nobody watches? What if this is too much? That band of discomfort, even if it's tiny, will be the difference over time from turning you into somebody who's nervous about really being themselves on camera to somebody who's like, I got this, because you inoculate yourself against the shame and the embarrassment of trying something new. Number 3, the short-term outcome doesn't matter. Let's say you're going out and you say hi to somebody or you want to talk to somebody and they're not interested or tell you to. So what are you gonna do? Are you gonna go back home and be like, yeah, that was it? My chances of meeting somebody are over. Okay. Okay. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna give up and be lonely for the rest of your life? No. You're gonna go out and try again. What if you post a video and you get 0 engagement? No one seems to care. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna give up and say, I'm never gonna do this again? No. You're gonna either embrace the feeling of embarrassment and like, ooh, I screwed up, or you're gonna repress it. You might as well just repress it and try again. I don't care how you do it. It's the same thing when you meet somebody, when you are trying to make videos, when you try to start a business. You fail and it might be public. What are you gonna do? Give up or keep going by either feeling that feeling or repressing it to the bottom of your cold, black heart. So those are the 3 things that you can do to be more confident over a video. It's simple, it's not easy, and it takes some time. Everything worth doing is hard and it takes some time. I'm gonna be making more videos about how to be more magnetic and confident on video and do it well so that you can leverage that for your business. I'm gonna be making that on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, in my email list. So subscribe, follow, wherever this is, and I will see you next time.